guys, welcome back to my channel. So, kali ini aku mau bikin squishy collection. Yeay. Tidak, ini box squishy aku cepet aja ya. Ini box squishy aku, jadi oke, kita buka aja langsung. Kecil emang. Aku punya nih cake ini, itu. Ini enggak slow. Aku punya Hello Kitty cream puff. Ini sedikit slow ya, with white filling and white drizzles, and hamburger bun with smiley face with saffron strap, sama blush buns. Oh my gosh, that's thick. Blush buns with saffron strap warna hitam, bread bun, and then ini aku suka deh. Ini a hamburger bun with saffron strap, so cute. And I have this Hello Kitty macaron with pink filling, and this Rilakkuma soft, and this banana stretchy banana actually, and my two homemade, so cute. And then I have this little mini blush bun and mini bun, and then this one macaron actually. Dan ada donut with pink drizzle, dan itu. Dan thank you for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up and bye.